Well, look at why that's causing over 80% of the problems today in a Chromebook user experience. So the top 5 causes of why Chromebook performance can suffer, it's really quite a diverse chain of events that go all the way from the on-premise or the work from home type user all the way through to the software as a service, SaaS applications, and cloud hosted applications that they're using. It starts really with the device itself. Are there a lot of plugins installed on the device? Are there any background processes? Is the browser performing? Is it up to spec? Does it have the latest Chrome updates? Going a little further, we already hit the network very quickly with the Wi-Fi. It's not just the Wi-Fi itself. The quality of that is essential, especially if you're moving around or you're a mobile employee, but also the quality of your internet service provider that's sitting behind it and their ability to choose the right domain name server. So basically the DNS, making sure you're resolved into the hosts that are closest to you and not redirecting you through the wrong location if browser location services aren't working properly. After that, if you're in an enterprise environment, there's a very good chance that you're using a zero trust network of some sort, a VPN, CASB, or a SASE solution that's really handling the cloud gateway for security. Those run very well on a Chromebook, but the proxies that are used, the networks that they create, can add an incredible amount of latency. Chromebook or not, this is one of the biggest problems we see with enterprise and SaaS applications. And then after that, you might be tunneled through a software-defined network, or you're using direct internet access, and then you're really in a public network environment. Are the service providers along the path performing? Are they routing your traffic in the way that is most optimal to your applications or not? So a lot of complexity in this area and very hard to pinpoint. If a Chromebook user calls you and says, I'm having a really big problem, like I have latency, things are slow, non-responsive. IT usually has a hard time with that. If you're an admin, it's not always the Wi-Fi, and the latency can come from a lot of different places. So we'll show you live how you could actually solve that problem. And then finally, it's not actually crazy that the application itself might not be performing properly. And we all know there's days where MS Office 365 is down or Teams is unreachable in different regions on different devices through different ISPs. And it's really a complex network out there. And to pin that on the Chromebook as the source of the problem would be premature and lead you down a troubleshooting path that really wouldn't get you anywhere productively.